This is the Great Waterfall from Huangguoshu. And there is the famous Chinese movie Journey to the West shot here before. And this is a very famous place in China, so enjoy it. It has the wild width among Huangguoshu waterfalls. The top of the waterfall is a huge, eroded shoal covering 15,000 square meters. The waterfall goes through the calcified shoal, which is over 100 meters long. There is a special phenomenon of stepping. Slope pond waterfall. That is, every time before flood comes, the waterfall produces the honglong honglong sound. Therefore, it is also called as roar waterfall. Steep slope pond waterfall is very famous because a few episodes of a famous TV serial called Journey to the West was filmed there. The Monkey King Sun Wukong jumped over the waterfall to reach the water curtain cave, which became the home of the Monkey King from then on.